Hello friends, welcome to Agriculture Mamta channel. Today we are going to discuss regarding this very usual plant. You might have seen this is curry patta friends. This is very important and really our South Indian friends, those who reside in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, they use it in daily food purposes. But we were not knowing exactly what benefits this can provide. Friends, this has tremendous benefits. I have come up with the video with all those benefits what we can get from this plant. Friends, first of all, we are going to discuss regarding skin care. This is very important and useful in taking care of your skin. Friends, for weight loss also, it's really important. Taking care of hair, you might have seen our friends in South India, girls have so long hairs and black, dark black. I used to just envy them, but now I have come to know that what was the reason behind it. It's this curry patta, friends. This is really taking care of their hair and making their hair so beautiful. Friends, this also acts as antidepressant. So, the persons who are suffering from stress, anxiety, depression, insomnia, they can also take this because this is very helpful in taking care of your health. Friends, coming to next point, we can take care of our weight also by this plant. Leaves, if we take 2-3 leaves daily, we can get rid of some extra fat. It can take care of your body by reducing your fat, and you can use it as a weight loss leaves plant. This is really helpful in diabetes also, friends. It takes care of your immunity level, enhances your immunity, and coming to this has antipyretic properties, friends. If somebody has fever, this can reduce the fever level also. It's really nice to know that. Friends, this can help in chemotherapy also. And I will be coming up with another video on this in detail, friends. For pregnant ladies also, this is very important. These leaves can be taken by pregnant ladies and they can get all the benefits whatever I have discussed previously. Friends, this can help in taking care of level of iron in your body. It prevents anemia. So this takes care of your health in many ways, friends. Coming to anti-aging properties, this leaves possess. If you are taking these leaves, you will look younger and your skin will glow, and you can take so many benefits whatever I have discussed, and I am very happy to discuss with you people this video because I was just tremendously excited to come up with this video because it was so very important for all of us. This can be taken in empty stomach in the form of churan, in the form of chutney, and in the plain leaves you can chew and take the benefits, friends. This possesses vitamin A, which takes care of, prevents anemia and takes care of in the form of chutney, churan, and raw form also you can take. You can prepare leaves, tea out of it, and you can drink that tea. That will also help. And coming to very important point, friends, we can come up with some more videos on this in detail. This contains vitamin C also. Loose motion of kids can be taken care of by these leaves, friends. This can be controlled, and kids may enjoy a happy life after using this. Thank you, friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Mamta signing off.